Yo, what's good guys? We back with another video. Today we are going to be working on the Z. After last drift event, the only thing that went wrong was the little two camber arms, but that's going to be the next video because I have ordered parts for that. But they're coming from the States, so those will be a couple days. There's one issue on the Z that's been bothering me for so long. It's the exhaust. I'll show you guys one sec. Alright guys, just had probably one of the worst 30 minutes of my life working on the exhaust. But the flux core has bonded it. It looks so bad. Like, that's last time's welds. The flux. The spool inside wasn't working. It fucking is all tangled up. Whoever used Dean's welder last left it so that there's still wire inside the gun and you can't get it out. So it has to sneak by that, so I just cranked the settings up so that it would work. And tacked it enough to work, so then I got this. Just marked that. It's going to be that one. Or the second one. That's going to be my new exhaust tip. It's 4.75 inch pipe. It's probably going to stick out to like here. Alright. Live the hot boy life for a bit until I get old. Or older, I guess. But yeah. It's tacked. Fits. I'm going to bring it to work and actually weld it. And get rid of the boogers because that is atrocious. But yeah. I will catch up with you guys probably tomorrow. Yeah, sorry I didn't get a bunch of action shots there, but I was borderline tweaking out, so I skipped filming. But we are all packed and ready to weld tomorrow and get rid of this. What's good guys, it's tomorrow. I just filmed a bunch of clips at work, but exhaust is at home. The fucking cannon. So I'm gonna put that on the Z quick and then see how much it sticks out because my measurements got erased, so I just freehanded it. But alright, while this is out, I'm actually gonna heat wrap the one part that gets close to the W brace or whatever, because if it rattles after this I'm gonna be pissed, so I'll just prevent that ahead of time. Wear your gloves. After about 30 minutes of me and Laura just fucking with this, it's perfect. It's angled a bit up. Perfectly centered. Oh yeah, there's the wrap that I was talking about. Right there. Just try and stop that banging against the W brace. But yeah, everything's all mounted. Nice. I'll just start it up. It's probably been a week and a half, so let's see how that goes. We back to finish off this exhaust video. I'm gonna bless you guys with a nice VQ cold start. Yo, what's good guys? I don't think I've made an intro for this video yet, but I am going to assess the damage from the drift event. It's pretty minor, just a couple fucking Heim joints, that's it. The wheel has some play, and I could feel it every time I press the hydro, so we're gonna fix that. With hopefully that. When I jacked it up and shook it, that is the Heim that had play, so let's install a new one. Just gonna measure the length of this one and then throw the new one on. Shout out to GK Tech too, because they had none in stock on the website and I contacted them and they found more, so huge shout out to them because I get to hit the event at the end of the month now. Alright, let me grab that. So as you guys can see, that was obviously the culprit. Look how loosely that moves. It's hard to tell obviously, but it's fucking loose in there. And the new one has no play. So I'm gonna move the nut to this after I measure it and reinstall. Okay, guys, this guy's fully together and let's go. That was indeed the problem. Fuck yeah. And yeah, let's do the other side. Look at this, is originally what was happening. You probably can't see shit, but you could probably hear it. All right, I haven't really filmed any of this, but I guess I could try and show you guys some. So I just dropped the sway bar. Not all the way, I just loosened the bolts just until they were just about to come out, just so the stock bolt could come off, the eccentric bolt, the one with the fucking stupid washers, because that is swapped with the eccentric lockout now. But in order to get the bolt out, I think you got to drop the sway bar, because I couldn't get it out to save my life. I don't know, maybe there's another way. Oh, my shoulder's nuked. Oh, sorry, I stopped filming, but just like that, no more play. Good Z, just gotta torque it. All right, yeah, that's the gonna be the end of this exhaust video. Laura got some clips from the outside. Sounds pretty good. It's still got the good old VQ note. You either love it or hate it, but I love it.
Love it.
But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys want to see somebody revving, just go on Instagram. But see you in the next video.